refrigerator, fridge, refrigerator, fridge は冷蔵庫という意味です。It's best to keep apples in the refrigerator. リンゴは冷蔵庫に保管することが望ましいです。We've got to go shopping. Our fridge is empty. 買い物に行かないと。もう冷蔵庫が空っぽ。Refrigerator is an appliance which is artificially kept cool and it stores food and drink, so we can keep our food from spoiling so fast. Refrigerator is made up with 5 syllables. Refrigerator. The stress is on fridge. That's why it's called fridge in short form. When you separate the word into 2 chunks, it might be easier to say. Refrigerator, refrigerator. The rhythm goes da-da-da, da-da. Refrigerator. I have a Hitachi refrigerator, which is very nice. Hitachi is a Japanese name pronounced with an American accent. The rhythm goes ta-ta-ta. Hitachi refrigerator. Thanks for listening.